Look at the antler growth on that one.
Yes, the data confirms he's responding well to the new feed.
Easy now, keep moving steady. Looks good, they're heading right up the ramp.
Keep the spacing steady and let them take their time. Walk straight in, you are doing perfectly fine.
Keep them moving steadily.
Look at the neural scan on the holographic display. The hippocampus activity is remarkable. Indeed, the subject is responding well to the environment. All systems are green for Sector Gamma.
Confirmed. The subjects are proceeding normally.
Visual inspection complete on the coat and eyes. Data aligns with the previous reading.
Noted. We can clear this one for release.
They seem very calm today. Yes, the water is fresh this morning.
Confirming stable vitals on all subjects in Sector Gamma. No anomalies detected.
Check the grain on this section before you cut. Yes, making sure it aligns with the template.
This batch is perfect.
Absolutely. Finding Solutions maintains the highest standard.
Check the stitching right here, near the buckle.
Yes, okay.
Looks good. The tension is consistent across the line.
Stitching looks perfect on this one.
Agreed, let's pass it.